Game made by Wolfer. 2026. 2025, 2024, 2020, 2017. Dude, this is really loud. This is really loud. Can I? Okay, no volume option. No volume option, no volume option, no volume option. No volume option, no volume option. Okay. For the YouTube intro. We're playing Water Boiling Simulator. Oh, I don't know how... Oh, there's volume. What the fuck? Turn the sensitivity down. There you go. That's good. What? What there's, why is there difficulties? The default, the regular experience. My back hurts like a motherfucker. ... Rough year, huh? I mean, it's been kinda okay, actually. Just a lot of changes, that's all. Oh, I need to set games. Gotta get something to eat. And... Huh. Oh, hey, I managed to find something about the thing. What thing? Huh? Who are you? Hmm? Nerdy Robot 325. What? Dude, do you seriously not know who I am? Oh, I'm stupid. Hey, Heather. Hey, Heather. Hey there, sister. Who are you? Stop messing around. Okay, my bad. Of course I know who you are. I mean, who could ever forget your super unique username? It says the letter H. There's a cat thingy. Remember that weird computer company you talked about? The one you've been researching all summer? Silicorp Computers. I think I found something. If you mean how to use your computer mouse introduction video, I already found it a few months ago. Nothing special. Also, how could you forget the name of the company? They basically invented computers, bro. Ooh. No, it's like a commercial. Video was just there, uploaded. Nobody was able to find it. It had like 12 views, I guess. I think it ties into their death cult stuff you told me about. Ooh, click on it. Oh, I don't even get to control it. Also, sorry for the asking, but are you okay, dude? After, you know, last week and all. I'm fine. What happened last week, huh? Maybe. I can watch it later. Ooh. Oh, my back hurts. I'm old. Attempt 1. Wait, I have to do this multiple times? I should probably grab something in the kitchen. What a brother supposed to do here? Let's see. Why did my mouse just freeze? Okay, whoops. Mom's asleep. Hope he's enjoying his first sleepover. The silence is kind of weird, though. Who is the first sleepover? What? What's this? I don't feel the need to use the bathroom now. Don't we think that's a really terrible painting to have in our fucking house? Where's the light here, bro? Okay, I'm in the kitchen. Alright. Okay, maybe I need to up the sensitivity. Just oh, thank you for the follow, Agaric. How you doing today? How's it going? 2016. Socks? A backpack? Alright, very confused. Hello. How is it run? I was supposed to go to the kitchen. Wait, Mwah! What? What's up, Gonzo? How's it going? Hello, Soapdax. Thank you, Gonzo, for the first. Now, some water. Oh, shit. How you doing? How you doing, Soapdax? Well, you got a kiss from the body wash. No. That's disgusting. I think that was a laugh. I don't think that was a kiss. I think that was a laugh. She's playing some wizard game. She gives teleporting sarcasm away. Onto the is it not on the stove? Turn up the knob. Turn up the knob. My bad. I got 8 ads. Rip me. No, mama. 8 ads is fucking crazy. Wait, why would I close my eyes? I stick up the chores I need to do around the house. Thank you, sarcasm. They are in the notepad on my bed, I think. Don't let your sanity go low. I have a sanity system here? Why is there sanity? Tab to open your notebook. Bring my sneakers back from... Bring... Spain? Sarcasm, are you Spanish? Bring my sneakers back from the laundry room. Get my guitar back from the living room. Bring back backpack from the living room near the window. Wait, bring sneakers back from the laundry room. Get my guitar back from the living room. Bring backpack back from the living room near window. My goat. Hello, Erica. Eric. Hello, guys. How's it going? How is Yap Yap going? Thank you for the attendance. Appreciate it. Bring sneakers. Bring to bedroom. What the fuck was that? Was that a window always open? I'm closing that bitch. Raid Chumi VT. What the fuck? Why does it let you do that? What the fuck is going on? Hello, guys. How's Yap Yap, guys? So many ads? Sneaker. Well, white sneakers are a pain. Okay, I gotta bring to my living room. I'm free. Welcome out. No, stop. Ah, what's that? What's that? What's that? Close that. Close that. No, thank you. And then, where do I put my sneakers? My sneakers. Get my guitar. All that has to me once after I dodged them yesterday. Freedom from the ads. Welcome out of ads, guys. How's it going? How's Yap Yap, guys? Where's the guitar? Oh, this guitar. Whoa, whoa. Wait, am I getting followed? Oh, hey there, bud. Hi. Soap commissions art separately. I just do video and your lyrics. Man, I miss the old days. Life used to be simple, no exception. Why am I sad? Why is my character sad? Stop being sad. Wait, stop being sad, bro. How's the game? I don't know what's going on. Why am I sad? Do I... Oh! What the fuck? I fell asleep after 86 cranes? Okay, I'm happy now. I'm happy. My character's happy. Yeah. Yes, close eyes to avoid enemies. Yeah, duh. Why would I not? I got my sneakers. Who's walking inside my house? I threw my mouse, bro. Close this! Close this. Get me out of there. Bro. Bro. Seems like the perfect organ watching the basement of a hospital all alone. Are you in a basement? Are you watching me in a basement of a hospital? Where's the Poppy playtime? Dude, I did halfway through chapter 4, the game bugged out, and I never want to play it ever again. You haven't paid attention to me at school. That's fucking sad. Oh my god. This is a window I haven't closed. Why is there so many windows? If I eventually open my eyes and some guy... Oh my god, this window's open too. Yup, watching from work. Ooh, that's great. Isn't this the perfect time? If you start hearing noises in the basement, don't tell me, bro. At least I get to take a break from that stupid place for a while. Bring back teddy bear from the living room. I have a teddy bear. Let me go. Is there a window in here? Oh, I just saw a guy. I heard a window open too. Do you pay for these indie games? Sometimes. Why do you think, like, sometimes I just don't have anything to play? Sometimes I don't have anything to play because I can't afford it. Hello? 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 At least you get to be yourself with your friends. Oh my god, bring cereal bowl back from the laundry room for some reason. My cereal bowl? Brokens. What just opened? Wait, what window just opened? Let's bring back our cereal bowl from the living room. Laundry room. Oh, it's in the laundry room. Not the living room. Hello? Peekaboo. Ooh, my cereal bowl has nothing in it. Oh, the window's open. No, thank you. And then I guess I need to occasionally return to the water. I guess. To I'm gonna fucking piss myself. Where do I put this thing? Oh, bring to kitchen. Oh, it wants me to bring these things to the... Oh, I see. Okay. Put it here. Close my eyes. We're all 14 years old now. They still act so immature. Am I like an emo kid? I'm scared. Mustard back from the living room. Mustard! Mustard! Place it back. Mug on the kitchen countertop. Oh, just why? Put my mug. But where is the mug? Gotta keep that closed. I hear like a footstep behind me and I really don't like it. I really, really don't like it. So funny. Haha. Oh, you get scammed. It's not on. I forgot to activate it. Close. Oh my god. Supreme scammer. Businessman with Jumo. Refund, please. No mods. No mods online. Bring ketchup back from my bedroom. I have ketchup. I just have fucking ketchup in my businessman. I think sarcasm would make a really good businessman, you know? Let me pick up my ketchup. There we go. Do not scare me. ... Do not scare me. Do not. What is that noise? It's going. Oh, what is that noise, bruh? I'm closing my eyes. But if you close your eyes, oh, will it always be like nothing changed at all? Bring to the laundry room. Dirty boots from the living room. Dirty boots from the living room. ... What do you want to suddenly not talk to me, character? They don't understand. Oh, nobody understands me. Oh, yes, I'm an angsty teenager. Oh, I'm an angsty... What? 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 Did you see something? Nah, bro. Actually, it's part of my imagination. Playboy Farty. Thank you, Emmy Misu TTV. I think I made the correct assumption. What's up, Geetsura? 140. Just a balloon? Pretty fucking scary looking balloon. Stop it! Stop it! Mulberry County on Roblox. I'll play it eventually, okay? Okay, I'll play it today. Maybe I'll play it after this. I do have 2 other games, though. How many cranes did you make? I made 100. I made over 100. Over 100 paper cranes. Okay. Hello? Yippee! I've helped all of them, every single person in my stupid class. And for what? Oh, you're very emo. Bring back the detergent from the kitchen. Me and Pissabro are about to go out. Why bro say it's like 120? No, I'm pretty sure I've like miscounted like really badly. But I wanted to watch. I'm gonna piss myself. Hold. I wanted to watch. It doesn't even make sense. He obviously didn't even study. Why is the only one? Well, I can't read. Stop me. Oh, he's on my paper. He's on my paper, chat. He's on my paper. Oh no. Oh my God! Wait, bruh. Socks from the living room. Let a man breathe. Holy shit! You just joined the fucking chat, making man suffer already, bro. Like, relax. Chill. Chill, brother. Chill. I'm gonna close bad pinky. Okay, I'm gonna close my eyes. Close my eyes. Close my eyes. Why did Okay, let me do my fucking 20 push-ups, you fucking dickhead. Fucking dickhead. It's done desktop capture? I'm capturing the game, no? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 19, 20. Okay, let's get back into it. Welcome to my window. It's a bit. You guys start hearing cars outside. Oh, what is that? Oh, looking at him makes my sanity go down. Sneak back to the basement. Oh. Old toy that's on my shelf. Bedroom. Wait, I gotta make sure every window's closed. This one's not closed. Close that. Okay, it's on the shelf. Why is my room really red? What is this? Oh, I need both of these. What is this even supposed to be? What the... Oh my god, a window opened or something. I think it's in the laundry room. But if you close your eye... Oh my god, open your eyes. Oh my god. What? What opened? Stop doing that. Stop chasing me. Stop chasing me. I don't know why I'm holding shift like I can sprint. Now that I'm thinking about it, her finding that video was impressive. BRB? Alright, Junie. Bring back my old computer that's on my shelf. This thingy. I have it. Now I'm walking down. There was a man on that window. I don't know if I... What? Why am I depressed again? Stop that. What's good, Johnny Vasectomy? John Vasectomy. What's good? How's it going? You know what? Heather just wanted to help. I can't be mad at her. Please have mercy on me. What? Are they violating you, sarcasm? Hey. That's on newspaper on your bed. I think the window might be open in here. Saw somebody on the window. Bum boom bum 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 bum. Bum 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 and done. Oh, don't like that. Newspaper that's on my bed. Why do you have a newspaper? I'm just like I'm a delivery boy or some shit. Oh shit, close that. Close that right up. Oh, thank you. Is there a window? Finally, all of them are done. Now I just gotta wait. Wait for what? For the water to boil. Oh, finally. Hey, my water is done boiling. Close your eyes one last time. Okay. I think pasta sounds good. Alongside an apology. What? Dude, this game's easy. First attempt. We beat it. A W, a key for closing eyes. W. Okay. Hey, H. Video's cool, but I don't think this is healthy. Hey. Stinky. What the fuck? Silly Corp stuff. Because that's like your whole thing, isn't it? Stinky. Yeah. I mean, yeah, the Silly Corp stuff too, but like... Why call me Stinky? I'm mostly referring to, well, everything. The way I do things. The way I treat things. My character's gaining self-awareness? Look, I messed up. Yes, I don't regret calling out Carl for cheating on the math test. Is this really about a math test? But I shouldn't have flipped out on you, or and anybody else, so I'm sorry. That was a nice Dream Eyes calibration. Oh my god, and it fucking doxes me. I'm glad you came to your senses, and thanks for the apology. But dude, Carl is the one who needs it the most, not me. He looks up to you, man. Is this really about a math test? He didn't cheat, he just studied. He actually just studied this time, for once. He did it because of you. Oh. I'm sorry. Is this really about a math test? I'm getting haunted because of a math test. Look, dude, I like you. I really, really like you. But I think you should be talking to Carl right now. Not me. I didn't know. Ooh. Really? This was the regular mode. Nice. A late night pixel. We'll try the harder mode. We'll try one run on the harder mode. See how it does. This game is only like $2. With Godot engine. I feel like a lot of games are made with Godot. Thanks for playing. Ooh. It's going by real slow and steady.